talking about again? What? I don't know. Whenever I turn around, they start going crazy, and they've been doing that all morning, and it's really annoying. Since early this morning, okay? It's early this morning. It's 3 o'clock right now, so yeah, whatever. They've been going like they do that. They're doing what they're doing, and the green one hits the blue one, and they all go crazy, and they start doing a chase. They start doing race or something. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what they're doing. But it only happens when I turn around and not looking at them. They start doing that. But when I come closer to them or just looking at them, they just stop and see what they're doing. They stopped. They're not chirping. They're not doing anything. You're just sitting there quietly. But once I turn around and walk away, just give them time. Just give them time. Give them time. Give them time. They'll do it. They'll do it. So anyway, I was at the store. Stupid bird. Anyway. Oh, now you're talking back now, huh? You're talking back now, huh? You're talking back? This is ridiculous. I'm talking to a bird. No. We got steak and cheese. It's delicious. Well, for them. I'm not really hungry at all. Damn birds.
I like the fact that Danny got a red camera.
You know what? I want to have a pink camera, and people look at me funny. I don't care if it, yeah, that's right. That's how I roll. I got a pink camera. What you got? What do you do now, huh?
Hey, man.
That's funny.
Anthony, Dan.
Right.
Dan.
Oh, good. We got to scare you down. Right. I'm going to dance your ass into a bunch bottle. Careful. You're in the